Hello kids, today we will learn about a new topic of math, that is algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which letters and symbols are used to represent numbers. Now, what are these letters and symbols? So these are known as variables. Variables are those alphabets whose value varies and is not fixed. Okay. Now the question arises, why we need variables instead of numbers? So the answer is we need variables to generalize things. चीज़ों को in general बनाने के लिए, चीज़ों को common for all situations बनाने के लिए we need variables. Because numbers fix होते हैं, वो सिर्फ उसी के लिए apply होते हैं. Let's understand this with an example. For example, this is an stick and this is also a stick. Now I have kept these two sticks in this order. So it looks like a alphabet L. Okay. So for one alphabet L, one L बनाने के लिए we need two sticks. ठीक है? We need two sticks. Now I will add two more to this. So now I have added two more and I got two L's. That means for 2L I need 4 sticks. Similarly, I will add two more. Now for 3L I need 6 sticks. And this will go on. I will keep on adding two sticks and the number of L will be increased. So what we get from this? Now from this, students, we can get a pattern. We are getting a pattern, that is just by adding two sticks we can add one L. We can get one L. That means if you have to make if we have to make 4 L, so we need 4 into 2 sticks. Okay, because one L has 2 sticks, that means 4 L we need 4 into 2. Similarly, for 6 L's we need 6 into 2 sticks. So to make this rule general, what we can say, we need the rule for letter L will be 2S. Now what is this 2S and what is this S here? So this S is called variable. So what we get from this pattern is 2S. Pattern of L we can say is 2S. The number of L's, to find out the number of sticks required to make L's, we can simply put the number of L we need in this S in place of this L and we will get the answer. For example, if we have to make 5 L's, so what we can do, we can simply put 5 in place of L and we can get the number of sticks required. That will be your 10. That means we need 10 sticks. So for this, to make it generalize, अब आप लोग यहाँ पे गौर करिए कि अगर हमने यहाँ पे सिंपल S लिख दिया, so S से हमारा ये रूल इन जनरल बन गया. अब फिक्स नहीं है, इन जनरल हो गया. अब हमें जितनी भी L चाहिए हम सिंपल यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे और हमें नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स मिल जाएंगी. ठीक है, इसी तरीके से वी कैन हैव इट फॉर अदर पैटर्न्स ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पैटर्न ऑफ T. नाउ इन T ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दिस T. इन T ऑल्सो वी नीड 2 sticks, 1 and 2. That means what will be the pattern for T? To find out the required number of sticks, it will be 2 again, 2S or 2T or 2M, whatever variable you wish you can take. 2N for example. तो इससे क्या हमें समझ में आया कि अगर हमें कितने भी टीज बनाने हो, हम सिंपल N पे नंबर ऑफ टीज की वैल्यू रख देंगे और हमें कितनी स्टिक्स रिक्वायर्ड है पता चल जाएंगी. अगर हमें 4 टीज बनाने हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे, N की जगह पे हम 4 की वैल्यू रख देंगे, 2 into 4, यानी कि वी नीड 8 sticks. Okay, so the pattern will be 2N. Similarly for Z. Now in Z you can see 1, 2 and 3. We need 3 sticks. 1, 2 and 3. We need 3 sticks. So what will be the pattern for Z? Letter Z, it will be your 3N. Okay. अब अगर हमें number of sticks निकालनी है Z बनाने के लिए, we can simply replace N with the number of Z we need. यानी कि for example अगर आपको 5 Z बनाने हैं, तो 5 Z बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम सिंपल उसको वैल्यू को N को 5 से चेंज कर देंगे. 3 into 5 will give us 15. That means we need 15 sticks to make 5Z. Okay, and same goes for E. Now in E we need 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 sticks. So what will be the pattern for letter E? It will be your 4N. Now it is not necessary you should use N only. You can use any variable, any alphabet from A to Z of your choice to make the pattern. Okay. So इस तरीके से हम सिंपल वेरिएबल्स का यूज करके, यानी कि इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स का यूज करके चीज़ों को इन जनरल कर सकते हैं, चीज़ों को आसान कर सकते हैं. Now let's take some more examples for variables. Now this is very relatable. आप लोगों ने पढ़ा ही है perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B. Now here also students, this L and B are actually variables only. ठीक है, ये भी L और B भी क्या है, variables हैं. Whenever we need to find out the value of any perimeter of any rectangle, हम क्या करते हैं, हम उस given rectangle की length को यहाँ पे पुट कर देते हैं और breadth को यहाँ पे पुट कर देते हैं और हमारा आंसर निकल के आ जाता है. तो इस तरीके से फॉर्मूलाज में भी और चीज़ों को इन जनरल बनाने के लिए we use variables. L and B are also variables. Similarly for perimeter of a square, what is the perimeter of a square? It is 4 into side. ठीक है, अब साइड कह लीजिए या आप इसको सिंपल 4s कह लीजिए. द थिंग इज सेम, 4s और 4 into s. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग, दिस 4 into s and 4s are the same things. When there is no operator in between two numbers, then it is assumed as multiplication only. जब दो ऑपरेंट्स के बीच में कोई भी ऑपरेटर ना लगा हो तो हम वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही अज्यूम करते हैं. ठीक है, so coming back to this, so perimeter of a square is 4 into side, or you can say 4s. अब यहाँ पे भी s क्या है हमारा, this is also a variable. We can simply change, put the value length of one side in this in place of this s, and we can find out the perimeter of that particular square. So in this way we use variables to generalize things in math.